is a topic of general meeting. There is the use for the FCC's law as per Company Act 2030. It's a short notes for the all students which are prepared for FCC's mid July to 2020 attempt. There is three component of valid general meeting. GM which means general meeting. But there is a three types: properly convinced, properly constituted, properly conducted. Convinced means the call the meeting. The properly convinced there is to be authoritative call of the general meeting. The authority of call the general meeting to the board of directors, shareholders, and members of the company. There is sent a notice of the meeting to the all members and shareholders of the company in such a manner, served in a manner. Such manner is in writing mode, in electronic mode, or is contained in notice contain the place of the notice, date of the notice, and the hours of the notice, and there is on which topic or transactions are to be made in which will be made in the notice in meeting will be required in notice. There is to at least 21 days before the general meeting notice given to the members of the company. There is properly constituted by the chairman, members of the members in person, members as proxy, auditor, CS directors as properly constituted the general meeting, properly conducted by voting and for the minutes. The voting by show by hands, by poll, minutes voting, written record. This an individual director has no power to call the general meeting. There is to be shorter notice sent by the company to the members. There is to be below the 21 days before the general meeting. Then the members of the company or the shareholders of the company, at least 95% of the members entitled to vote in a general meeting. A consent given by the members in form of written form or in electronic form. The exam questions very important. Shorter notice. The another point is very important. In shorter notice, they exclude the following matters. They exclude dates when the company send the notice to the member. Then there is exclude the holding date of the AGM, the date of dispatch of notice, and 2 days for the service of notice. These days are excluded, but 2 days for service of notice is days after. The 2 days are after the days of dispatch of notice are to be excluded, and it then consider the days as 21 days. If these days are below than the 21 days, then it's called shorter notice, and then 95% of the members entitled to vote in such a general meeting. Next point is under section 102, ordinary business and special business. The ordinary business, the short point ADDA. ADDA means a adoption of financial statements, auditor's report or board report. D is declarations of dividend. D is director retirement and rotation of an appointment. And A is auditor appointment, auditor retirement, etc. The explanatory statement is not required in ordinary business. The explanatory statement are required in special business. There is special business include interest to the demanded person, material facts has to be included, interest to director, manager, and relatives of every directors. Such points are to be included in special business where it is specially conducted in general meeting. Next point is quorum for a general meeting. The quorum for a general meeting under section 103. The minimum number of members must be presented in the meeting. There is a valid meeting. A valid meeting is considered when there is minimum number of the members are presented in the meeting. In case of the public company, the number of present in due up to the 1000 members, The 5 members are present, personally present, require a quorum. More than 1,000 and 5,000 members, 50 members personally present. More than 5,030 members are personally present. This is a very important question for the exam. Please notice on this. In case of private company, minimum 2 members are to be personally present and article may be required the larger number of the quorum. If the quorum is not present within the half an hour month from the time of the fixed holding the general meeting, then meeting shall be adjourned or cancelled. The meeting shall be adjourned to such a date, time, place, and may be determined by board. At least 3 days notice should be given to the members before the when the adjourns the meeting. And publishing in the newspaper, there is vernacular language and in English language. English newspaper. If the adjourned meeting also members quorum, if in the adjourned meeting there is member are not or not presented, the sufficient quorum is not presented, the member present shall be considered as a quorum. There is no restrictions. There is no agenda again meeting. There is important notes. A meeting means coming together one or more person. Therefore, members cannot constitute a meeting. Case law is considered here. AGM is not held for want of quorum. There is no any restrictions in AGM extraordinary general meeting to compulsory quorum is required in AGM, or there is no any matter of adjourned AGM also. Proxies. There is a IMP's points here about the proxies with the short. I'm fastly reading this, meaning the person who is appointed by the members of the company on behalf of him in the meeting. The proxies have no right in voting in meeting. Proxy is agent of the member. There is not original member of the company, but original member of the company is appointed as a person proxy in the meeting on behalf of him. The person is appointed proxy up to the when there is the proxies are to be appointed in the general meeting up to the 50 members or the holding the not more than 10% of the aggregate share capital. Company voting rights. Aggregate share capital. Company's voting right is more important. Any private company limited will also appoint as proxy are not allowed to speak in meeting, not allowed to vote in meeting, except poll. Except poll is very IMP. Proxy can't counted in purpose of quorum. Rights काय proxyचे attends meeting, rights to vote on poll. The proxy's form is MGT 11 has been prescribed for appointment of proxy. The original member of the company appointed as a member as proxy on behalf of him, then submit the form MGT 11 for the appointment proxy and such information and the form is given to the company within before the 48 hours of the annual general meeting to the company and such a form will be signed by the members, original member and proxy and submit to the company and ROC, that is registered office of company. Minor cannot be appointed as a proxy. Inspection of proxy. Any member inspect the proxy deposited with company. Inspection can be made during the business hour before the 24 hours commencement of the meeting. Inspection done in within 3 days. Notice is given to the company. Inspection will be made within 3 days. Notice should be given to the company. Inspection can be made during the business hours. Revocations. When proxy is revoked, when the original member appoint the proxy and immediately original member attend the meeting, then automatically revoke the proxy. But the proxy attend the voting by poll and then original member attend the meeting, then proxies cannot be automatically revoked. Thank you for watching this video.